Hello engineers! In this tutorial we will understand the features of the home screen and how to use them. So I have opened up Autodesk Inventor and I am presented with the home screen as you can see. Let's take a look at the new section. So here we have our default template files for parts, assemblies, drawings and presentations. If we click on any one of these we will open up the according file. We can choose to configure these by selecting the Configure Default Templates cog just here. And in here, we can choose to work in imperial units, inches, or metric units, millimeters. If you wish to make the change, select the according one, select OK, and then select Overwrite. So this will switch out the existing default templates for the different measurement units. I will cancel that as I work in millimeters typically. And just next to that, we have the projects section. So here we have a list of the active projects and their locations. Typically, you will be working in the default project. However, as you progress throughout Inventor, you'll begin to create unique projects. I will create a separate tutorial on projects in the near future. And at the very bottom of the home screen, we have the recent documents. So in here, we have all of our recent parts, drawings, or assembly files. We can select any one of these and open them. So that's a short way to open them. We can also select to pin or unpin them. So we can choose the most relevant ones in the pin section. On the left-hand side, we can filter through these to show the most relevant part according to what you're looking for. And that is an introduction to the home screen. I will see you in the next tutorial.